The next type of accident I want to talk about is another kind of rear-end collision that happens at an intersection, and it happens after the light turns green. So in this kind of accident, these cars are waiting for a red light to turn green, and when it does, they start going, but then a car in the front slows again to maybe turn into this driveway, or to perhaps pull over and pick up passengers, or maybe it's stopping for some pedestrians crossing over here unexpectedly, and the cars behind them don't expect this to happen. They expect a light turns green and they're going, and they end up slamming into the back of these now stopped cars halfway through the intersection. So this is a type of collision that I personally caused when I was a new driver, because I didn't expect this. I didn't expect a car who was just launching from a stop to suddenly stop again. I didn't see it coming. So this is one of the reasons I made this series of videos in the first place, is because I wish someone had warned me that this is a typical kind of accident. So again, this is the type of accident where it's a rear-end collision at an intersection after the light turns green and people start going and stop again. And I'm calling this accident type 2.
There we go.
All right, wait. Restaurants here?
Yeah, restaurant's there.
Okay.
Okay, this is us.
Oh, really?
Okay. So this guy goes like this. Light turns green, we all start to go, right? She starts to go. He stops to turn into the restaurant.
Okay.
So we stop to let him turn in the restaurant. She does not stop.
Gotcha.
No.
Ah, nice.
No. However, my seatbelt, the passenger side seatbelt did not lock. So my beautiful wife went face first in the dashboard and then fell out of the truck. And then she got stuck. Yes. Look, babe, there you are. Babe, there you are.
You're represented here by The Rock.
Oh.
Dwayne does a good representation of you.
This is great.
So she got her car stuck in my truck on the thing.
When the light had turned green, so he steps off his brakes and pull away, and then all of a sudden he stopped because I followed him as he steps off. And all of a sudden he stopped, and I hit him.
The same thing got me.
And I was under the bumper, the back bumper of the school bus, and all the school kids in the back just jumping up and down, and my little car just going squeak, squeak, squeak. I felt so bad.
Wow.
You know, I had a Mazda, 1988 Mazda, two-door, 626.
Oh, right on.
And it just went right up onto that school bus because I thought he was going.
Yeah.
And then he
to merge.
Yeah, so I'm like, I'm clear. As soon as I look back, this person stopped and this one stood up. So as soon as I looked back, headed, this person here came by and hit me.
They also hit you?
This person hit me.
Oh my God, that's crazy.
Yeah, so as I was moving out, he turned for a split second.
Yeah.
I'm surprised he didn't see you.
Yeah, he was probably, no, he must have been doing something else entirely.
Yeah.
Power with this one, but so going and just like traffic in front of us.
Okay.
This person stops, we stop, and then they hit us into the car in front of us.
Oh, right on. So that's you. So there's like an accordion effect?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. I mean, I'm sorry that happened.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Okay.
And the person behind me was texting,
Yeah?
and they just ran right into us and pushed me into the car in front.
That's crazy. That's like the same story as theirs, except theirs was more like here.
No.
Awesome. I mean, I'm sorry, but that's great. That's a good story.
Okay.
And perfect for my use. Thank you.
Sure.